So when it comes to upgrading your vehicle's wheels and tires, it shouldn't be a painful process and you shouldn't have to compromise. Most aftermarket wheel companies use a generic fitment for kind of a one-size-fits-all solution that really leaves you on your own to figure out the final details. So with our newest wheel brand, Defiant, we're looking to do something entirely different. So every single Defiant wheel product has vehicle-specific design, fitment, and engineering. And what I mean by that is first we pick a target vehicle and then we build the wheel to fit it. What that gives you is a product that's totally hassle-free. You don't have to worry about your tire size. You don't have to check for bolt pattern compatibility. You don't have to worry about spacers or hub rings. You can reuse your factory lug nuts and you can even swap in your factory center caps, giving you that dealer fresh look. So diving in, looking at our products, we have a wide option of styles to fit many different vehicles, everything from trucks to Teslas. We have some new products coming out in 2026 for Ford Ranger, Ford Mustang, and a few other models. Each and every wheel has design cues that are specific to the target vehicle. So you'll see here with our DF04, which is for F-150s and other Ford models, you can look at it and it'll be instantly recognizable. It'll match the vehicle's body lines. It'll look great on the vehicle. And the fitment is optimized. So when you put these on the truck, they don't require any trimming. They're not gonna stick out past the fender. You're not gonna have issues with brake clearances or any of the above. So all of that guesswork and all of that hard, searching online for answers to trying to figure out what fits, we take care of all of that for you. If you're interested in some products and you want a nice, easy process, you can check out our website, defiantwheels.com, or you can give our team a call. We have some wheel and tire fitment experts, but to be honest, you can use your stock tire size, you can use your stock lug nuts, you don't need spacers. Yes, they'll fit. No, they're not gonna stick out. We engineered them right the first time, so we really took all the guesswork out of it.